Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to upload your own image to Cricut Design Space. I typically create my designs using Canva or Procreate. Let's get started. In your Canvas tab, on the left side click Upload. Upload image, then browse. Select the image you want to upload and open. Here select the image type you want to use, simple, for high contrast colors and transparent or monochrome background. Moderately complex, for simple details and color, with good contrast between subject and background. Complex, for fine detail, blended colors, or low contrast between subject and background. Complex images are more challenging to work with. For this image, we'll use simple, select simple and continue. Here you can choose the background remover to remove anything you don't want in the image. You can also crop the image to the shape and size you need. Once you're happy with the image, hit apply and continue. Now choose if you want to cut the image or print then cut. Cut the image means your machine will just cut the image you selected. Print then cut means you will print the image with a standard printer and your Cricut will then cut the image. In another video I'll go over this in depth. For now, select cut image and then upload. Select the image and hit add to canvas. It will remain in your uploads tab should you ever need it again. Grab the corner or the image to change the size and dimensions, or click size at the top and enter the size you need. When you unlock the size at the top, you can change the height and width independently. I normally leave it locked since I've created the image how I see fit. You can create a guide for the project, just to make sure it fits. So if you're making a coaster, click the shapes on the left, select the square. Change the dimensions to the size you need. At the top, change the operation to guide. Be sure that you change the operation to ensure it doesn't cut the square out as part of your project. Now adjust the size of your image to make sure that it fits within the guide. Depending on the project, you may want to change the operation. Make sure that you have the correct tip to go with the operation you choose. To do this, select your project on the right and change the operation at the top. If you choose pen, make sure you have a Cricut pen ready to load. If you choose the foil, make sure you have the foil tip and Cricut foil. For now, select basic cut. Make sure to save your image so that you won't lose any progress you've made. Select the machine you want to use. I'm using the Cricut Maker 3. For smaller projects, I use the Cricut Joy. Now select Make. On this screen, you will choose how you will load your materials. Without Mat is for Cricut Smart Materials only. On Mat for any material, including smart materials, or card mat for creating card designs. For this project, we will choose on Mat. Click Continue. This page shows you where on the mat you will place your materials. Be sure that you pay attention to the numbers so that you can place it exactly where you need to. I tend to leave an inch more material. You can cut off the excess and save it for future projects. Once you've placed your material on the mat, hit Continue. On this page, you will select the material you're cutting. If you don't see the material you need, click Popular at the top, or browse all materials on the right. The pressure is set to default, but can be changed to cut less or more. If your pressure is too much, it will rip the material. If it's too light, it will not cut all the way through. It's good to do a test cut on material to ensure that it cuts all the way through without ripping. Now go to your machine and load the tool into clamp B. Load your material into the machine by gently pressing it all the way to the back and under the two guides on the left and right. Press the arrow buttons and the machine will load your material. Click the next video for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who's on their Cricut journey. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you want to see next.